Audio Jungle.
Stop searching and start celebrating. Because we've got everything you need to get the results you want today. See, the problem with other tools and services is that they don't have what you need, cost too much, or just take too long. But don't worry. That's why we created The Answer. It's an affordable solution that takes the pain out of getting things done. So how does it work? Well, getting started is really easy. Then you'll be carefully guided through each step of the process. And before you know it, you're finished. Because we've got tools for just about everything you need, whether your needs are small, standard, or happen to be challenging. So let's take a closer look at what you get. Nice, right? But it doesn't stop there. Here's another feature. Our customers really love this one. And just in case you're looking for a little more, here's one of our best features. It doesn't get much better than this. But don't just take our word for it. We've helped so many others already, and we're sure that we can help you too. So say goodbye to the hassle and hello to peace of mind. Contact us today and let us solve your problems.
Meet Julie. Julie's a woman of action. She gets things done and she does it right. But in this case, she didn't know where to start. She had so many questions and she wished there was someone or something that could help her. Thankfully, there is. Introducing The Answer. It's an all-in-one solution for Julie and you. They offer everything you need to get started. Plus, when it comes to this, they're the experts. So you can expect top-notch quality and amazing results. Find out more today and join their many happy customers.
Sometimes getting just what you need is really hard, but it doesn't have to be. Introducing The Answer. It's an affordable solution that takes the pain out of getting things done. So here's how it works. John is pressed for time and has a small budget. He needs to find a good deal, but he still wants great results. That's when he picks up the phone or goes online to contact us. We carefully guide John through each step of our simple and effective process. And the best part is, we get to the root of John's problem and we solve it. Thanks to our full lineup of top-notch services. Now John has exactly what he needs, and he can get back to being the man of action he was meant to be. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today. Do you want to grow your business? Do you need to get ahead of the competition? Well, we can help with that. We are the go-to experts for an all-in-one solution, offering everything you need at a price you can afford. All you have to do is contact us today.